What's good, YouTube? Back at it. We are at the junkyard today. Double D's looking for some parts for the dart swinger. We'll get with him, see what he needs for sure, but we'll also see if they got any PT Cruisers or SRT4 Neons down here, but most likely not. We'll take a glance. Well, we're a little early, so we'll come back to y'all when they open up. Alright, so we made it in. What are you looking for, Double D?
So this has got 8 1/4 in it. It's a 95, and it feels like it's got a posi in it. So we're gonna pop the cover off real quick and see what we got. I can't rotate the axles right now, so I'm assuming that it is.
Looking for all this stuff for the dart.
Yeah. Yep. It's gonna make a mess. Oh man,
Is this seized?
it might be. Yep, it's fucking open. Alright, well, we can't use that one.
Okay, on to the next one. Alright, Joe. We looked at about, 5 or 6
Yeah.
Dakotas, and they all open, or 2 of them were too new, so we can't use those. But Double D says these Grand Cherokees can have them as well. And the V8s or the 3.7s?
Yeah, they're gonna be 4-liter ones.
Okay.
I need to see what's in it, because this is the one that these have 373s in them.
So we found about like 3 or 4 Liberties that have the rear end, the gears that Double D's looking for, but looks like all these Jeeps that he's looking for a posi are all open. Motor there?
I don't know. That's the shifter I need though. Here's this thing.
05.
05?
Yep.
I think it's too early. So see how it has this has a nag one in it with an auto stick.
Oh, check it out. Right there, it's got the plus and minus auto stick. That's cool.
Motor's kind of in it, upside down.
No shot, huh? Oh my god. A motor's in it.
I need a front control module for like a 05, 06.
05, 06.
Yeah, it's probably 05 to 07.
That's for the
LX car.
That's for the truck swap.
Yeah.
Same with the shifter too.
Yeah, the shifter would work. Because it has the auto stick in it, so you just mount it in a, it'd be perfect for a truck.
So actually in this crushed one right here, the door's all falling on me, but sorry.
You must actually have like a whole console and all that. Fucking cup holders in it.
It's a little dusty, but it's got a nice chrome ring on this one.
Yeah, it's not all ripped up like that other one.
I might grab this one instead.
I'm gonna have to come back for this.
Goddamn door.
It's got a chrome ring around it, but it's all black, so it'll be
nice.
perfect to put in that truck.
You're just gonna take the whole center console, huh?
Yeah.
Heck yeah. Nice. This one's a 08, right?
Yeah, 2008, so it's got the auto stick in it. It's still got a nag one in it.
Still got the. That's the last year of it, right?
I'm not. No, it might be. I think 12 is.
12. Okay.
Yeah, he's playing the motor, so.
Oh, is he?
Yeah.
There's keys and shit right there too.
Yeah, I found him in the console.
Oh, no way.
So I put him up there. done. I just gotta fish it out of there. All right. I think I'm gonna start taking this one out.
This one?
Yeah.
Cool.
It's right here. It seems like there's more stuff off of it, so
Yeah.
easier. At least that's what I'm trying to think. Got it off that Crusher 300 over there.
Oh, that's...
So I need to send this with my modules out of the Charger cop car. No, and buy a harness and hemi swap with the nag. This is 16.
Holy shit. This thing needs money.
21. Yep, there it is. All right. Oh, that was actually easier than I thought it was going to be. Stuff.
He's so fucking sketch, man. Motherfucker just underneath this shit. God damn.
Alright. Oh, I'll have to grab a wrench. Alright. Grab this other one. Burrito power.
I got that shitty song stuck in my head. Like, everybody's mounted books. Yeah.
Ooh, that thing's trying to come up and hit me.
The jar shaft or the, oh, the thing?
This. All right. Damn, that shit pretty easy, man.
All right, just made it through the checkout. That was a little long line, but just got to load on up, and then I think
Flies out.
yeah, true. So I think that'll do it for this video.
Thanks for watching DDU TV.